Next command in the sheet metal tab is convert to sheet metal. When you create your SolidWorks part in features tab or any other tab, then you need to have convert it into sheet metal by using this convert to sheet metal button. So let me show you how it works. So sketch on front plane and then draw some sketch. Now in the features tab, extrude it, press OK button. At this moment I'm going to convert it into sheet metal. So click on convert to sheet metal command button, and first of all it will ask you about fixed face or fixed entity. So select this face. Here is the thickness, which is 4 millimeter. So let me select 0.3 millimeters, and then it will ask you about edges for bend. So click on all these bottom edges one by one. Now here is the preview. Scroll down. This is the rip sketches. So at the moment we don't have any sketches to be used for rip, so just press OK button and close. So for now press Ctrl+Z to undo. Now sketch on this plane line and draw it like this. Press OK button. Click on convert to sheet metal command again. Similarly this face as fixed geometry. Now bend edges, select all these 4 bottom edges along with this edge. Now scroll down and then select this box, rip sketch. Now this is our rip sketch, so click on it. Now again scroll up and activate this box and select this edge. Now press OK button. Here you can see this part is now again converted to sheet metal, but with this rip sketch.